What's up, YouTube? This is Mike back with another video. Today's video is a short little video. I did a full detail, and now I'm putting some Bead Maker on the big boss's car. He's flying in tomorrow morning at a private airport with private jets. We're private in, and he has his Cadillac Escalade. You can see pretty much his whole airport's full of people that got some money. So yeah, like I said, I went ahead and did the whole inside vacuum. It wasn't that dirty, so I pretty much vacuumed. Did the windows, did wipe down all the leather and stuff like that. Put some tire shine on it because he loves tire shine. And he waxed it. Like I said, I waxed it. Now let's put some Bead Maker up on it just to touch it up. Sorry, that's old rags I put on the ground. I know you not supposed to put your stuff on the ground, but like I said, it's in water. So right now, like I said, right now I'm just spraying it down with some Bead Maker, with the quick Bead Maker. So all I do is I play panel by panel. It's a light mist, and I got my it's like a drying rag, but it dries pretty. It's not a drying rag. It's actually like it's a bigger microfiber, so you can do quick waxes. The local chemical guy, he sells them. I think these rags are like, so you can hear the jet right now over there. You can hear it. It'll be taking off. Once I go inside, there's a lot of big jets, private jets and stuff like that. So my goal is eventually I'm gonna try to get a hold of one of these guys that have these jets and start cleaning planes, detailing planes, waxing them, stuff like that. That's my goal. I'm going to spray this down. See, Bead Maker is always the easiest. If you're trying to do a quick wipe down after a wash, the best quick wax is Bead Maker because it doesn't streak as much. You do a quick wipe down with it. Yeah, sometimes too, on the Bead Maker, you can spray it on the window. It won't streak the windows up as long as they're not dirty. So we're almost done with it. Gotta make sure. I always gotta make sure it's clean good. But like I said, this is the big boss, so. All right, so I got it waxed. Like I said, I got the inside done. Inside's all clean, ready to go. You can just tell how shiny it is. Shined up real good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and walk in here and drop off the keys. So when he comes in, he'll have the keys, and they'll pull. And what they'll do is they'll sorry guys, bottle dropped out. I just gotta take it in, the key. Private jet, private area. Just gotta drop the keys off. Hey, I dropped the keys off for Mr. Orr. Picking up tomorrow.
Okay, this is actually the Destiny vertical. Is that who you're trying to reach?
Little private jets.
This is a private airport.
It's crazy. See, this is where they land. This is where they pick up at. Awesome. Picked up. Drop the car off right there. And all the famous people that have been in the airport, get Triple H, Miley Cyrus. Got the food, and I can have all autographs. He has the coach from UK, NASCAR, Dallas Cowboys, Tim Tebow, Tony Stewart. So pretty much like all famous people come in here to Destin and they drop off their private jets and they have to be good to go. All right, guys, that's the end of the video here at Lennox Private Jet. So remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification on the bottom. I'll see ya. Peace.